Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your location in Glassdoor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your location in Glassdoor, all you need to do is simply tap open your Glassdoor app. So once you have tapped open your Glassdoor app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon. So once you have tapped on profile, you need to go in your demographics section, and once you're in your demographics, you will end up in this interface where you can find the location option. So once you type in your location and hit the save button, your location will be saved. So to change it, you can simply come back to the page again and type in your next location which you want to change it into and hit the save button once again, which will allow you to change your location in Glassdoor. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.